Ready for the trip?
Yes, I am ready for the trip.
Hi guys! We are headed to Binsar, which is in Uttarakhand. So I'm here with my family, my mom, dad, my brothers also come, and so has my uncle who came with me to Nepal. Right around the lake, we drove for quite a while to reach this dhaba. We have an 8-hour journey ahead of us when we reach Binsar. We'll be there for 5 days and let's go on this trip together. Finally, we've reached Binsar. So last night we reached quite late over here at about 7:38, and mind you, we started at 7 in the morning. So 12-hour long journey. Finally here. Yesterday was a pretty rough journey. I felt sick, my mom felt sick, and we had to make multiple stops. So didn't really vlog a lot of that. But we're here finally, and we're staying in Club Mahindra in Binsar. I'm really excited about this because this place looks really cute.
You're always on my mind. I'm at your side. No matter what, you know.
I'm having such a good time. I'm sitting on the grass. I'm just looking at this amazing view. Binsar is actually slightly ahead of Nainital and Bhimtal, so you have to go through those towns to reach Binsar. A lot of people, I don't think they come here, so this is quite an unexplored kind of place. It was getting darker when I was sitting outside and it started raining now. अब हम trekking कैसे जाएंगे? Oh no! I left my phone over here. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys our room. So it's actually quite a huge room. We have, this is our bed. There's one bed over here, kitchen area. Then we have Mamu. Then we have another room and little dressing table. So Sanju Mamu, what's the plan for today?
We are going to hit the temple tour. We're going to go to Bageshwar and then Bajnath, where there are some more temples. Finally getting to a place called Kausani, where we have tea gardens.
First stop for today is Bageshwar or Bajnath temple. We just parked our car, we're on our way there, and we're walking through this really small street, very small place. Next stop now, which is Bajnath temple. My mom did some shopping as usual. She bought something for the house, a big matka,
Yes, which is a copper vessel.
We're at Bajnath temple and it's actually really beautiful. There's a lake over here and this is the temple, and this was built in the between the 9th and 10th century AD. So it's over 1,000 years old. है ना? 1,000 ही हो गया ना? हाँ. 1,000 years old. This temple is actually so gorgeous. It's been around for about 800 years and yet it's so well maintained. The lake is spick and span. This is so pretty. Mama, कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
बहुत अच्छा. Absolutely unlike India.
Also, since we're all desperately looking for a bathroom, they even have Sulabh Shauchalaya here. Delhi Metro people would know. Whoa, ये ज़्यादा सही spot है. Good morning. So today is officially day 3 of the trip. I think the last trip that you guys saw was us eating Maggie on that rooftop. The Maggie was the best Maggie I've ever had. So they put like a tadka of jeera and God knows what all, put dhania on top. The best Maggie with the best view ever. So after that we went to a small tea garden, had chai and saw the most beautiful rainbow. Also during the all the car journeys, we were singing a lot, playing the uke. I even composed a little song, and me and my brother were trying to figure out this cover of Shape of You.
Come on, be my baby. Come on, be my baby. Come on, be my baby.
I hope that happens so that I can upload it somewhere. But we're practicing. It's coming out. It's coming out good. This is the best way to come.
You're always on my mind.
This is gum.
I'm by your side. No matter what, you know.
So we have spontaneously decided to trek up this mountain or hill. It is kind of treacherous. The point is that I'm wearing Converse, so I'm pretty sure I'm going to slip, but I'll give it a go. Okay, change of plan. Not climbing the mountain anymore because our Maggie is ready. So no mountain is as important as Maggie. So we randomly stopped in during our way back to the hotel, and we decided to stop at this place to have coffee. The sun is going down. It looks beautiful. I think we've got the time lapse. मेरी battery भी जा रही है. Oh, 3.
On a good day, Joy, I can do 50.
50.
5.
Oh God. 1, 2. It's the last day. So last night we did some karaoke, which was extremely hilarious. We had such a good time. I couldn't even sing. I was laughing that much. We had Kumaoni food, which is very yummy. And today's the last day. We got up. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. And my mom and I were doing some yoga, just chilling. We're all packed now and all ready to leave. We have a 10-hour journey ahead of us. So yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope this chilled out vacation. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. We didn't really do much, but it was still really nice and relaxing. So yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!